তাই নাকি? 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello everyone, tonight we're going to build a small form factor PC inside this casing. This is the Coolermaster NR200p. This is one of the pioneers of small form factor builds. For the motherboard, we have selected the colorful CVN B760i. For processor, we've gone with the Intel Core i5 13 Gen 13600KF. For RAMs, we've gone light with the Corsair 16GB kit, Vengeance Pro RGB. We're gonna fit the Lian SFX power supply inside the case along with the Corsair SP120 RGB Pro. And if all these were not enough, we're gonna fit this huge bad boy, the Nvidia RTX 3080 colorful iGame OG 10GB variant inside this case. We're gonna put this GPU vertically inside the case. After that, we're gonna try to fit this cooler, the dual radiator Corsair H100 RGB inside the case. As this case doesn't allow top radiator mounting, we're gonna mod this case and we're gonna try to fit the cooler radiator above our GPU and our components and see if that works out. And if it doesn't, we're gonna have to go the dirty way of putting our radiator below our pump. And we're gonna vertically position our GPU and let's see if everything works out. We're gonna check the temps, we're gonna check the ambient temperature and everything else. So let's get to it. So we're gonna unbox our Intel 13 Gen 13600KF. Now I'm gonna install my SSD. We've got the Corsair H100 RGB right here with an addressable RGB header that we're going to plug into the RGB hub we extracted from our Corsair case. And I'm going to open this up, and this is going to be our challenge because we're going to put this cooler radiator above.